Hey there everyone! Today I want to share with you my review of a cash app that seems to be very promising. If you're curious about exploring new ways to potentially earn money through your smartphone, this review is totally for you. I'm Sergi, and as someone who has been exploring various cash apps, let me introduce you to Cash Giraffe. Please note that individual results may vary. So let's dive in and uncover what this app has to offer. When you open this app, you will land on the feature section, which shows you the applications that pay you the most gems per minute. Let's check this app, ChainCube 2048, which is paying 214 per minute. Here's a little tip from me. You do not need to actually play the game, but you have to have it open in order to count seconds by Cash Giraffe. The longer you play the same game, the less coins you get per minute, and the more minutes you need to play to gain those coins. In payouts section, there are two tabs, which are special offers and more payouts. In special offers, they provide you discounts in percent. In more payouts, here are gift cards and the option to cash out to your PayPal account. Here we go. The most interesting part of this review, the actual payouts. Are they really working, or it's all fake? I didn't have enough gems to try all of them in both sections, but I have tried several payouts and some of them actually worked. Let's start it off with Target. Once you click on confirm, you'll get a code, and I have the code style. Now let's apply it to Target order. I have it ready. Let's type it here and see if it's working. And it's not. Continue with DoorDash. I have the code fall215. I have the order ready. In DoorDash, let's apply the code. Oops, unfortunately this promotion is not currently available. Papa John's next in the line. I have the code 20 of ad. Let's apply it to the Papa John's order. At first glance it kinda worked, but it gave me $0 discount. Let's try Crocs. I have extra 20. And it's not working. Who knows, maybe I'll have some luck with Subway. Oops, invalid code. So it's not kind of fake game. It seems like they don't properly manage discount codes, and it's better for you to use cash payouts, which is in the more payout section. I found what worked, and that's Amazon gift card and Starbucks. That's what I tested. For these both, the process is the same. You request a payout. After several hours, you receive an email with the security code and a link. You go to this link, you use the security code provided, and you get an actual code. Unfortunately, for Starbucks redemption, I have only screenshots. If you've made it so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. I hope I've saved you some time and efforts. See you in the next one. If you are interested in downloading this app, you may consider using the affiliate link in the description. Well, you don't have to, but that is a fair deal. You will get 25% of all coins that I earn, and I will get 25% of all coins that you earn. We can help each other to gain more coins.